What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are washing my Mach1 Mustang. So I did a car washing video not too long ago on my Subaru, and that one was more process focused, and I used a bunch of different products from a bunch of different companies. But today all the products that I'll be using you can find on Amazon. So my intent was to do like a whole unboxing of everything that I ordered. A lot of the products I already have like in my garage that I use pretty often. I was running low on a few things, so I wanted to do an order and just kind of open it up with you guys. But Odin got to the box before I did, which he doesn't normally chew on things, but for some reason he wanted to open this without us. So I'll just show you guys what I ordered in addition to. I'll kind of show you all the products that we're going to use first, and then I'll pull the Mach out and we'll get started. All right, so the lighting is a little weird in here, but we're only going to be here for a minute. It's like almost too bright, which I actually use. I don't know if you guys are wondering this, but I use these work lights, which also you can find on Amazon too. Actually, I order everything from Amazon, and that's like putting it nicely. I mean, my shorts are from Amazon, my little butterfly necklace is from Amazon, like everything. Okay, so let me show you guys what I ordered extras of. So I get a lot of my rags just from Walmart or Target. Wherever I see them, I will buy them, but I also ordered some extra ones. So these are from the rag company, which is the best place to order rags. It's just like a really good all-purpose cleaning towel. So I got the blue ones, they have yellow ones too. And then, so my all-time favorite foam cannon soap is from the Chemical Guys, and it's the Honeydew Snow Foam Auto Wash. So we have a big bucket that we use, but I just ordered a small one here. All right, and then I got more of the Hydro Interior Cleaner. So this is like a duo, so they came together. So this is the Diablo Gel Wheel Cleaner. Dios mío, El Diablo es aquí. Wicked strong. Yeah, this is probably one of the best wheel cleaners. Removes like a lot of brake dust, so if you get a lot of like brake buildup, then recommend this here. And they came together, and this is the VRP protectant. So that's it in this box. And now I'll show you all of the other items that I use that you can also find on Amazon. All right, so I have everything set up and ready to go. I have the Ryobi electric 2300 PSI pressure washer, Adams water deionizer hooked up, and 2-bucket method, of course. So soap bucket, rinse bucket, and then I also have the wheel cleaning bucket. So I wish I could do a cold start for you guys, but my Mach does have headers and it has the Course Extreme catback exhaust, so it is very loud. So I started up in quiet mode just to be courteous of the people living around us. So it sounds a little weird, but here we go. So we have some water spots, some dirt spots that you can kind of tell. For 2 weeks of not being washed, looks pretty amazing. But I mean, it is ceramic coated, which is probably the biggest difference because it rained a couple of days ago and the water just slides off the car. Doesn't look dirty at all. But yeah, the importance of ceramic coating is huge. I have a good one in my storefront as well. It's also from Adams, and it has graphene in it, which just really helps with water beading. So check that out. If you guys have any questions on the ceramic coating process, let me know as well and I can help you out. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started on this car wash. My goal is to complete at least the soap process before the sun gets on Mach. So this is how much time we have. All right, so I quickly rinsed off the whole car. I like to do the wheels and the tires first. In my bucket here, I have the Chemical Guys Diablo wheel cleaner, and it smells so good. I also have my cleaning brushes and a mitt as well. In my spray bottle, I have the Meguiar's aluminum wheel cleaner, so I'm just going to spray it all over the wheel and tire, clean that first, and then I'll rinse it, and then we'll just make our way around the whole car. We'll be here talking so much, I'm gonna spray it all over again. Am I a gargoyle now? Okay. I swear the next pair of wheels I'm gonna get are gonna be 5-spoke because what a pain. So I'm trying to go as fast as I can because I am running out of shade here. Gotta focus. Has this been on my forehead this whole time? All right, so I forgot to do my foam cannon, but I'm gonna do that right now, right quick. I have my foam cannon, it's empty right now, so I'm gonna put in the chemical guys, honeydew foam wash. So I have some here, but yeah, like I said, we're just about out, so I'm gonna use a new one. Too bad Odin didn't open this one for me. Hello. All right, so I'm gonna fill this up with about 1/3 of the snow foam and then the rest with hot water. It's about 1/3, right? It's really hot. All right, foam cannon is a go. All right, so just gotta pop this bad boy off. All right. In there, thank you. The foamiest soap. That's so foamy. Doing good on time. So foamy. All right, doing good. Not in the sunlight yet, so time to wash. So 2 bucket method. In my, sorry, I'm running around like a lunatic. All right, so in my soap bucket here, this one, I have the Chemical Guys Citrus Wash and Gloss, and then just rinse bucket. So knock this out super quick. Wasn't so bad. I think we did it. All right, so I got the whole thing washed down, and now I'm just gonna spray off all the soap before the sun starts to shine in. I'm done. All right, that wasn't heavy at all. Better too. That's the second time in my life I've done one already. Alright, gotta set practice shot first. Look at that. Oh, beep beep. No, wait, hold on. And boom, we're doing great. So here on the hood, you can really see the ceramic coating and what it does. So there's just a ton of water beading. And the water will just slide right off of the car. All right, all rinsed off. Now it's time to dry. So I'm gonna use the Blow air dryer for the hood, the roof, and the rear, and then I'll probably just use towels for the rest. Let's go. So this air dryer is really nice. It's from Blow. So I don't know if this exact one is going to be on Amazon, but I know Adams has one that's like the exact same. My favorite thing about it is it's touchless. So yeah, you just kind of push the water off. Now I do recommend having a ceramic coating so that way the water very easily just kind of falls off of the car. This top here is like silicone kind of, so it doesn't like scratch if you were to accidentally like on the car. So okay, disaster here, I think. Yeah, right. I need an extension. Okay, let's do this. So I might have to get a new one because I just freaking broke this. That's a big old oopsie there. Cool, we can all buy one together. All right, so I'm done with the blow dryer. Now I'm just gonna go in with a towel on all of the weird parts. Yeah, I love that thing. It's huge, especially if you guys have like a black or a dark colored car because it doesn't leave any sort of like swirl marks. So I love that thing. Let me just show you the hood here. Excuse you. Yeah. Yeah, it looks great, super easy. Now I'm just gonna go in with the towel on the other parts. So I like to use this drying towel because of the size. I'm not exactly sure where we got it from, but I'll find one similar and link it for you guys. Washing cars is an Olympic sport. All right, so I got it all dried off. Now I'm gonna go in with a quick spray detailer. So I actually wanna show you guys some of my favorite quick detail sprays. So I got some bottles here for you. All right, so we're all dried up, so Mach is good to just sit there while I talk to you about some of the other products that we're gonna be using. So now that it's dry, we're gonna go in with a quick detailer. So I have a few of them here. The two of them that I first wanted to talk about are both from Chemical Guys. So the one that we're going to use today is the Lucent Spray Shine Synthetic Spray Wax. This one is probably the cheapest one that I have on Amazon. And then I also have the Hydro Speed Ceramic Quick Detailer, which is also linked to my storefront, also from Chemical Guys. Also smells really good. This one you really have to focus on like working the product into the car because it does leave a film if you don't like rub it in really well. So try and do this one in a really well lit area. Another quick detailer I have is actually from Jay Leno's garage. So this one works really well too. I thought I had one from Adams, but I don't see it in my garage, but they have a really good quick detailer. This one I'm not sure if it's on Amazon, but I know Adams has one on Amazon. So I'm not going to do too much in the interior today, but I did want to show you two of my favorite interior cleaning products. Okay, so I have the Chemical Guys. They're both from the Chemical Guys. This one is the Hydro Interior Ceramic Quick Detailer. So this one I will use for everything like the doors, the dash, the center console, just everything in there. And then for the like navigation and the digital dash, I will use the Chemical Guys Total Interior Clean and Protect. So yeah, both of these together, power couple. So the last product that I really wanted to talk about is my all-time favorite product. I talk about it in almost every like car cleaning video that I've done so far, and of course it's the waterless car wash from the Chemical Guys. I mean, it's just, yeah, this is the GOAT of all products. If I see it at the store, I'll grab it. If I'm grabbing car cleaning products on Amazon, I'll add this to my cart as well. So if I could recommend one product that you try from this video, it is this guy. So alright, so that's it for the products that I just kind of wanted to mention, that I just wanted to talk about here. So let's just go ahead and grab the, this isn't it. This is it. So let's just go ahead and quick detail the Mach. All right, now I want to test out the Chemical Guys BRP cleaner, which, not gonna lie, I haven't used this yet, but it says that it's a good protectant for vinyl, rubber, and plastic. So I'm gonna do it with one of the towels. All right, so I'm gonna use one of these. So I'm gonna use one of these and just kind of like roll it up and put some on here, because I bet it's like a gel consistency. So I'm just gonna put it on all of the plastic pieces. Maybe. The tires actually don't look too bad. There was a lot of dirt on them, but I cleaned them pretty good, so they actually look all right. Yeah, let's test this out. All right, so let's get a nice little tip here. Okay. Oh, it's real thick. Real thick and creamy, like. Okay. Oh, that's a lot. Well, shit. Let's do it over there because I see some spots. Yeah, let's do that. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, right here definitely needs some extra love. So let's just trying really hard not to get it on the paint here. We got a lot there. Oops. Okay. Okay. That's messy. Yeah, it's really messy, but I've handled more. Sorry, Dad. Done and clean, so I'm just gonna bring it back into the garage because I'm not taking Mach anywhere else today. Guys, so Mach is all washed up and clean. Thank you so much for helping me out today. I will have everything that I used and talked about listed in my storefront. I do have a list that's already called Car Wash Favorites. So this one I will title whatever I call this video, so that way you can see everything that I used and talked about here, as well as looking at all my other favorites. You can also see all the other stuff that I used in my storefront. So if you have any questions on the car wash process or anything else, please just let me know. But thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure that you are subscribed, and I'll see you guys again next time.